looks like they were pulled straight from the tape of a blockbuster Hollywood movie.
Jigwete na gathoma na ngageria kurumirira rugano ruu rwa mugomo wa cukuru wa imwana wa Litein kuria Kericho.
Yes.
Actually rugano ruu ruhana movie.
Exactly. Rutihana kidu, you know, it looks like a stage set in Hollywood.
Yes.
Or Nollywood or Bollywood kuria kwa hedi.
Yes. Ni thenema.
It is quite unfortunate.
Very unfortunate tondu damage ire Thukuru ucio ri.
Yes.
Is monumental.
Yes. You see, arutwo woigwete ati ginya ondu ginya marakuwa one ng'ombe ta mbarathi. Yes.
And how long can a night be?
You even ask yourself, had a police station nearby, or anyone who could raise the alarm. So I think they had the luxury of time. Yes.
Do you know on an rather marugano ru kari gwatiriri?
Yes.
Okay, maundu maya happened na duration ni igana atia.
Yes, the unfolding of
the story.
Of the event. Mean. Ginya ng'ombe makare gatongoe.
Marikia ukuo ni ng'ombe fifi degeri.
Yes.
Makirega tongoe.
Actually, I understand the cow just had to be slaughtered. It was wasted. Ndio munyigi wa ng'ombe ti wawe kuwa muri. Especially cia iria. Yes.
Riu manogio ni gukuo ng'ombe na migongo
mai kirali kuria mbathi ne ya Thukuru. Some of them are even drivers. Matarithia ngari manyu makaruta garage.
Na gabathi karaga gakuruga gagathirithiri magicina
kau makemundia na gukaga
ni gukaga
twi thirithiri cia night cina ku na hii probably gakerele getiro kugura kugira ngo kau maramba maramundia
ino ya kere niyo mararutire garage maratwarithia kidogo.
Yes.
Na marenjo ndire cia cruise ina ginya matereba.
No, those young men even have drivers. So mathiurukia nayo ku kiharo.
And I don't know how legit it is. So kuratuka ginya ni
I have heard that claim as well.
I don't know how true that is.
And it's a Scania. We would want to know ko
Scania matina hutia. Thukuru ucio na mbathi ithatu.
Hena mini mbathi. Hena thirithiri. Scania maraugia ni heritage yao.
Scania matina hutio na ki. Iratigirwe rungi ugu.
Mini mbathi riu. Matatu. Yes.
Riu Scania de hutirio.
Yes. Mararute onio marahoria inji.
Nio marahoria thutha wa guthiururuka kiharo magikenia.
Actually, I'm now marahura matumbe kwa rimu. You know, it is catastrophic and funny in equal measure.
Yes.
Oya, macho. Sunny side up, ama. Itumbe macho na yethugureta wa sunny side up.
Sunny side up.
Oya. Sunny side up, ama ikorogoe. Yani macho.
Maana time ya kuhura matumbe.
Yes. Na marae ginya na meko. I don't know whether that was a staff room kana staff quarters.
Yo marutire meko ku. Bisha cia meko cio makiruga matumbe.
Wega piu.
No karigwo marutite thimu kugunyi cia kurekodi.
Na ngeciria ucio murugi wa matumbe na kiriu ehacia ke uru. Toni aroneka biu.
Maybe ni umwe aria marakiarainirwo igoti-ini, I don't know.
Yes. Because those are criminals, to say the least.
Those are criminals.
Ginya ni mara document. They have phones.
Manacoka manatua kwa basa.
Yes. Maraingira therefore and allegedly kuringana na fotiria ciranyayo guku mararuta makiria maciringi milioni imwe.
Ona Thukuru ucio kiri mbia.
Not really. What is even 1 million doing in a school?
You wonder?
Is that petty cash?
Float ya milioni imwe Thukuru ri.
Yes.
Nikirari haga.
Na Thukuru ri wa capitation ndiraki.
Thukuru ri irastira gukimbeca.
Yes.
Those ones must be having money.
And that one should be investigated. Tondu ukoro mwina million, even if you have laborers around, million
fari
in petty cash.
Au hari undu.
And apparently arutwo a Thukuru iyo, it is not confirmed. We have not yet quite
we cannot authoritatively say.
Kuratuika mbeca iria megucoka nacio ni 135.
tondu riu damage yothe gicokagiririo aciari.
And Litein is an extra county can national.
Yeah, people say it's a national school.
National school, of course, population ti andu anini.
National school enyihitie aruto enyihitie piu.
Yes.
Ndinginyihiria aruto 800.
So ona mihe giki.
Yes.
Giki magi uta mundu wa 37 ri. That is 13.7 million.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey.
Hathara area riu kuringana na audit iria mekete ya quick audit
and estimations.
Yes. And I understand they are very stringent measures gutigirira ati gutiri ukura.
Na gutiri ukuheo marua matira jifa.
We. Marashuta kinya movies ina miakiraka na thutha. Hip hop videos.
You cannot imagine.
And they are feeling very heroic about it.
Na ate gitumi ati ni magiririo kuona game ya Man City na Arsenal.
Yes.
Bururi wa gori uhoro.
But there is a generation ya ciana ri. Haria kening ya banio itararikane mwaka uri kuri who was the Minister of Education.
Direciria kening ya banirwo Mutura Kilonzo minister wa githomo. I don't remember kwari mwaka uri.
Yes.
But it's that time.
Andura matare mahurwo bokori. They are the now Gen Z. Yes. Acio maticia mete kiboko thukuru ine.
Yes.
Uria ithio twarihagu. Na macokero mongerwo exposure ya social media. Tondu inyo mungiatirie mubira wa Maniu muone na andu.
Ona tiga gwitia.
Yes.
Would you even have imagined ati no mwetie mwage guthikira thi nigetha muone mubira? What are you?
No, actually ithio na twecekondari na is the late 90s ri. No one knew about Liverpool in Diego. or Chelsea.
Au muthe makiri na exposure nene.
Yes.
But dio.
But they have guts. When you get imagine you take gari ya Thukuru garage. Or mate.
No twarithie.
Where did they even get the keys?
Tio ekaine.
And you know that is very bad precedent.
Very bad.
Horrible. Especially in that region.
Na kungia gutacukio makinya very serious.
Yes.
Kiundu kiu no ki excite na ciana cia kundu kungi.
You see back then, oro cio gia continue kundu kundu.
O ku.
Leu he angi marona makona they are heroes.
Wena oza.
Ozo lo. Awa mazeni maodi. Ikibamba sana basi pull it up. We. Those yori no fatie ku move with speed.
No twiria we ko twiria kinyi.
Yes.
Tondu I don't dirageria gwiciriria uria ruto magikara thi mabange na ma execute mubango to cio wothe. A lot needs to be investigated.
A lot. Including the amounts that are circulating around iria mafatie gocoka ke.
Nacio.
As damages. You know, waje school fees ya by government standards. Ya national school hari mwaka ni pesa zigara.
Should be range around 70,000.
70,000. So
kulingana na government books.
So when that 7,000 is actually school fees ya miaka 8.
Yes.
Which is half of the high school exposure.
Yes.
In the old curriculum. Yeteruto marahura nginya macho.
Makaruga matumbi.
Wega view. And driving around in the school van.
Kuri uhoro na he.
Nacio tiari anini kuri riu ria CBC turarera. Aya.
Ucio wa Litein ni he.
Ucio ni biu.
No, ketu aterere. Twiria wekwo kuri maundu mariumbuka.
Absolutely.
Inyanya ina ndagika 48.